Today you're going to make a folded paper cat face. So get yourself some square paper. First, fold one corner to the opposite corner, making a diagonal fold like this. Next, do the same with the other two corners to make a cross through your square. After that, fold one corner to the middle of your square. Then fold that over again across the middle, like this. Now fold one side corner up to the top, like this. Fold the other side corner up to the top. Next, fold a small triangle upwards from the bottom, like this. Spin it upside down. After that, fold one ear up like this. Then fold the other ear up. Finally, fold up a small triangle from the bottom for the chin. Now, turn your cat's face over. You can now draw and color details such as eyes, nose, mouth, whiskers and fur. You might like to fold the ears and chin in a different direction, like I did here. It changes the expression of your cat. You can also cut shapes into the face or stick different colored paper on too.